Welcome to all from English Boost Motivation YouTube channel. This is the best place for you to learn English. How to learn English clearly and effectively. Introduction. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let me ask you one simple question. Do you understand English, but you cannot speak it? Do you feel nervous when someone speaks English to you? Do you think English is too difficult for you? If your answer is yes, then this video is for you. Today, I will show you how to learn English clearly, simply, and confidently, even if you are a beginner, even if you are afraid, even if you failed before. Remember one thing. English is not a talent. English is a skill, and any skill can be learned. So, let's begin. Tip number 1. Stop trying to be perfect. The biggest problem English learners have is perfection. Many people say, "My grammar is not good. My pronunciation is bad. People will laugh at me." So, they stay silent. But listen carefully. Silence does not improve your English. Practice does. You don't need perfect English to speak English. For example, I am not speak English well. This sentence is not perfect, but people understand you. Perfect sentence is, I don't speak English well. Both sentences communicate meaning. So ask yourself, do you want perfect English or useful English? Because useful English changes your life. Say this to yourself. I am learning. Mistakes are allowed.
Tip number 2. Listen more before you speak. Before a baby speaks, the baby listens. You learned your mother language by listening, not by grammar books. English is the same. If you want to speak English clearly, first you must listen clearly. What should you listen to? Slow English videos, simple English stories, daily conversation videos, English subtitles, not difficult movies. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just listen. Your brain is learning the sound, the rhythm, the feeling. Say this line in your video. First, train your ears, then your mouth will follow. Listening builds confidence naturally. Tip number 3. Speak English alone. Very important. Many people say, I don't have a speaking partner, but you don't need one. You are enough. Speak English alone. How? Talk to yourself. Speak in front of a mirror. Describe what you are doing. Example, I am brushing my teeth. I am going to work. Today I feel tired, but I will practice English. This may feel strange at first, but trust me, it works. Your mouth needs training, not permission. If you can speak alone, you will speak confidently with people. Tip 4. Learn sentences, not single words. Many learners memorize thousands of words, but when they want to speak, their mind becomes blank. Why? Because words alone don't speak. Sentences speak. For example, word, important. Sentence, this is very important for my future. Word, afraid. Sentence, I am afraid of speaking English. When you learn sentences, you learn grammar, you learn structure, you learn confidence. Say this powerful line. If you learn sentences, you learn English naturally. Tip 5. Make English part of your daily life. English should not stay inside books. Bring English into your daily life. Simple habits. Write 3 to 5 lines every day. Change your phone language to English. Read English comments, captions, and posts. Think in English, even simple thoughts. Example, today is a busy day. I need to improve myself. I will not give up. Remember, English is not a subject. English is a habit. Habits change lives. Tip 6. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Let me tell you the truth. Every fluent English speaker you see today was once a beginner like you. They made mistakes. They were laughed at. They felt nervous, but they continued. Mistakes mean you are trying, you are learning, you are improving. If you wait to be perfect, you will wait forever. Say this strongly. If you are afraid of mistakes, you are afraid of growth. Make mistakes proudly. Tip 7. Practice a little every day. Many learners study English like this: 3 hours one day, then nothing for 1 week. This does not work. Better way: 15 to 20 minutes every day. Consistency is magic. Even 10 minutes daily is powerful. Say this line: consistency is more powerful than intelligence. Small daily steps create big results. Tip 8. Learn English for a strong reason. Ask yourself, why do I want English? Better job? Confidence? Study abroad? YouTube? Travel? Respect? Write your reason, because when your reason is strong, motivation becomes natural. Powerful line. When your why is clear, learning becomes easy.
Final motivation and ending. Let me remind you something important. You are not weak. You are not stupid. You are not late. You are just learning. English is not here to judge you. English is here to help you. Start today. Speak today. Make mistakes today. Because one day, your English will speak for your confidence, your career, and your future. End with this line. Practice English every day, even a little, and one day your future will speak for you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Blue.